Hello and welcome to this chess puzzle. Here we've got a checkmate 2 for white. It's white's turn. It's a bit of a weird one. We've got a sort of completely symmetrical setup devised by George H Thornton in 1876. So let's see if we can get the checkmating 2 for white. If a white rook tries to take a black rook, the pawn can just take back and the king can be protected, so there's no checkmating 2 this way. If pawn takes a bishop, it can just be taken back with one of the knights. So, and then after this, there's no checkmating 2. The queen takes the bishop on e5, can just be taken back with the knight, and there's no follow-up move for a checkmate in 2. So the solution to this one is actually to move the queen to e4. If the f-pawn takes, white can just advance their f-pawn for the checkmate. If the d-pawn takes, then the d-pawn can be advanced for white to also checkmate. If the knight takes the rook on b6, then the queen can move into f5 to checkmate the king. And obviously, because the puzzle's symmetrical, if the knight takes the rook on h6, then the queen can move to d5 to checkmate the king. And if a knight tries to move down to a square like d5, then obviously the queen can still move into d5 to checkmate the king. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.